Bro, it's not Joe. It's J.O. J.O. Malone Studios.
J.O. Malone Studios, you know what I'm saying? This YN, PB day. You know, if you ain't got it, go get it. Shout out to the whole PB Stacks. If you ain't got it, go get it, YN. Shout out to all my stats out some tats on your back. Let me see that, man. Young Nation. Hold on, we ain't through though. We got YNU up. It's out right now. You know, matter of fact, we're gonna let it splurge. YoungNation.com, you feel me? You feel me? Let me turn it over. I lay in my CDs, man. I'm gonna get y'all something bigger to look in case you got on glasses or something. It's a little bigger, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Show on the back of that though, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog. You know what I'm saying? That's me. That's me. That's me and that's him. Couple meal tickets, you feel me? That's him. That's me. Couple meal tickets. Hey, that. Shouts out to J Malone and the whole PB though, man. Real spirit. Prairie View, we go here now. I just roll, man. They said I can go ahead and just do my thing. You know what I'm saying? I'll be here 2 times a week. I'm a freshman. Yeah. Well, you ain't even there. He still gotta take his ACT. You know what though? Get money.
Yes, we are back in the mix. It is your boy DJ Mike Knight, Hustle Squad DJs. NG Entertainment. I got my NG family here right now.
We in the building.
We got Young Nation in the building.
Real skizzy. You know what I'm saying? This Young Nation, you dig, Beretha, Young Done. What it is, you know, it's your boy Fame, Young Nation, man. What's up, Mike Knight?
Campus going crazy.
See, it's PBYU Day. We had to come out here. We know PB, we messing with y'all too. We know y'all mess with us. We out here for real.
Ever since it got tweeted last week that y'all were coming out here, Twitter has gone crazy. I'm talking about it's gone stupid. I've seen so many retweets. Everybody talking about, oh, Nation's gonna be a PV, man. I want to be down there. Might have to miss school to go out there to go hit up with Nation. Like,
oh, people trying to come from
what?
TSU.
People coming from TSU. People coming from Dallas. Just come kick with the Nation.
Bro, what's up, man? We love y'all. Appreciate it for coming down. We're gonna give y'all what y'all want, man.
Everybody wants to know how did Young Nation form? What popped off Young Nation?
Young Nation popped off like 6 years ago. We was on we was playing basketball for, you know, a little league team. We was in high school, and it really didn't work out. So you know, we was bench warmers, so we was freestyling on the bench. Yeah, we sucked. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm better now. Hey, so don't take that as a joke. I'm good on that court now.
Some people don't know that y'all were with Thug Boss Nation. Go ahead and speak on that. Speak on TBN.
TBN, always been my family. You know, I still kick it with them to this day. Some of them went to jail. You know, some stuff happened, and we had to, you know, go our separate ways. But it's that's still how we formed off with the Young Nation, because it just became too much of a hassle dealing with all that. You know.
I understand. So, who all was in TBN? For people that don't know.
Man, it was a big, like 100 people family. I can't even name it. I'll be here the whole night. Yeah. Naming people. We got TBN on our new project though.
Okay. So the YN University, which is doing awesome numbers. Everybody and their mamas downloaded it.
If you ain't got it, go get it.
Is downloading it.
Yeah, you've been telling everybody, huh?
I have. You already know. Mike and I put on for the Nation. PB Nation, YNU. Yeah. It's going down. I got B Reed and Fame in the building with me. We finna have some fun here today. I think what I want to get in, we gonna get into some personal stuff.
Let's do it.
With Young Nation.
Let's do it.
We gonna learn about Young Nation today.
Okay. All
right. We gonna start with B Reed.
Yeah, what's up?
Where are you from? Where did you grow up?
Well, currently I'm from Dallas, Texas. And you know, I grew up in the hard streets of Oak Cliff. You feel me? So, you know, people gonna respect her today, you know. They just have to get their issue. Nation.
Nation. Where you went to school at?
I went to school in Duncanville High School. That's in Dallas, Texas.
It is.
You know.
Your boy's definitely alumni at Duncanville High School.
Which one?
Yeah. Boys definitely went to high school.
I know you went there.
Definitely went there. I actually went to school with your brother.
Yeah.
For a minute, yeah.
You never told me that.
Hey.
It's cool though.
So,
he want to tell you on air though.
Alright, Fame. Where you from, Fame?
Man, I'm from the same place, 57 Fort Woods, Dallas, Texas, you know. Boysenberry Lane. That's where I'm from. Rose money.
Oh wait. Now I know all the female nationettes want to know, are you single? Are both of you guys single?
Yes, sir.
We're currently single.
Y'all just heard it, Young Nation, Fame, and B. Reed are both single. So, ladies, if you were at home day today, I mean, you might go ahead and try to.
Let's hump.
They say they bad it. They say they bad it. Tell me about some of the features that you guys got on YNU.
On YNU, we have a lot of big features. We got a lot of Young Money, Cash Money features. My brother Short Dog, Lil Twist.
Yes, sir.
You know,
Twizzy.
Out there in the
my
back,
family. I grew up with Lil Twist. You know, we got some features from Cali.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
we got Too Short on there. There's a lot of people on there.
Shout out to my bro, Dero Music.
Dero Music, he dropping his new tape next week, next Monday. Highlights. Make sure y'all look out for that too.
Yes, sir.
All right. And tell everybody how you got hooked up with Merk.
I met Merk.
We met Merk about 2 years back. You know, we was with Q Smith at first. And, you know, Q Smith linked us up with Merk. And then Merk was like, these guys just need guidance. So, you know, he just started working with us. And now we just moving on up, man.
I think we're going to get into this new track that y'all got with Too Short.
Oh,
yeah.
It's a big record. It's called Cali Girls, which is crazy. Like,
big on the West Coast.
How did y'all work out a Too Short feature? Like,
Well, really,
A mutual friend.
Yeah, a friend met through a friend, you know. A hummingbird delivered the message.
Put in a word.
Yeah.
Told them the nation was doing that thing out here in Texas. I had to let that Cali connect.
Yes, sir.
It goes down like that. This whole thing, this whole YNU PV Nation Day has been brought to you by J.O. Malone and PV Unit Radio.
Shouts out to y'all, man.
Shouts out to J.O.
We did a lot of work to try to, you know what I'm saying, do something with the station to help bring people out, you know what I'm saying, put people in the light out here at PV because it is a major market for everyone. And everyone can eat off of this market. So, with that being said, y'all ready for this freestyle?
The headphones right there.
Damn.
My brain cells over there.
Damn.
Rock your head like a fur.
Bow.
Funny young, I'm her.
Nice.
Up the head, never ever work with legs.
Nope.
Shouts out to T-Don't see.
Hey.
Yellow bones in they bed.
Yep.
TJ in this thing.
Nice.
And you know it's Saint Swing.
Go.
It's Funny Young King.
What's up?
I'm a part of Ding-a-ling gang.
Hey.
And you know that this swing. Just like my chain. Just geeked up at my brain. Got the helmet like Notre Dame.
Shout out to Mike Knight.
Aight.
24s on the bike.
Dang.
Nice and that best for self. And I'm rocking soldier every night.
Dang.
Sun shining so bright.
Right.
Jimmy shit at midnight.
Dang.
Pull up with a yellow bone and two freaks that look alike.
PV Unite Radio, DJ Merk. Shout out to White Man. Shout out to 4.0. What's up, bro? Let's get it.
Hey, hold on.
Hold on, PV.
Before I do anything in this motherfucker, man.
Got nice in you dig.
Bow.
PV. Real scared though. What's up, man? What's up?
Bow.
Nice.
It's your nice, we in the building, you feel me? If you ain't got our new album, you need to go get it right now. I got a few copies for y'all up here, you feel me? What we finna do is get a lot of money, baby. We finna get a lot of money. Go ahead and drop that. 4 Plus Funky Town in the building, you feel me? Triple D in the building, you feel me? A-Side in the building, you feel me? Already.
Well, let's get to the business. All you boys so snitches, y'all trying to take my riches. Your girl grabbed my wishes. She came and did my dishes. Sending me her for kisses, but now I'm just pissing. I'm a young pimp, catch me eating no second shrimp. I'm geeked up on the cloud, write my name on the blimp. I'm just a young pimp, nigga, I'm just a young pimp. Fat buzz, no skill. Pimp, gon' walk with a limp. Pimp, fresh lane, new trim. Pimp, gon' put me on film, baby, gon' put me on film. How you doing, baby? I'm a real deal, I pimp. I ball like Son Kim, and your boyfriend here too. Summer's cash in my pocket, make my swallow with a lip. Tell your girl when she cook, I like extra pasta with shrimp. And you know I got the munchies, so I back over M&M's. I pack big sausages, and you pack a Slim Jim. I ball out the fucking gym. I ball over the switch. I'm on the time like Tim. Dunkin'. 21. I get your girl one night. The next day I'm punching out. Her booty bigger than the pop. I swear to God I'm not stunning. I get it in my bed, and all night I'm punch ocean until I see the sun or something. Yeah. Still see the sun and sea. I'm still sucking her teeth. 30 minutes later, I am hard. Guess what? I wake up and right around my feet. And I pass it to the big Nick. Now that's real people like a bee. I am pill, skirt, pill, skirt, pill, skirt. I'm a young pill. Catch me eating out second shrimp. Kicked up on the cloud. Rockin' out on the pill. I'm just a young pill. Nigga, I'm just a young pill. Ain't got fat blood, no skill. Skirt, pill, skirt, pill, skirt. Gotta walk with a limb. Skirt, pill, skirt, pill, skirt. Fresh fire, new trim. Pill, pill, skirt. Gon' get me on film. Nigga, gon' get me on film. Pill, skizzy. Nice to know, man. All my single ladies make some noise. Already, PV, you missing sound. My CEO, DJ Merc Music, the digital executive, he graduated from here. Official alumni. Hold on. PV, what up, man? We back in the building. DJ Merc, digital executive. I brought Young Nation with me. At first, I put out the road. Now we got Young Nation, man. We're going to the top. Appreciate all the support from the yard. Real skirt. I say, hey, we're going to go ahead and rock out. Go ahead and drop that 4 points. But she got the biggest butt I ever seen. Girl, you should quit your job and just go work at Dream. Go ahead and do it for the Young Nation team. And here goes your host, Fire me again. She turn up, she know it. I see her how she throw it. She do it, I'ma start growing. Girl, don't stop, keep going. Stats, stats. Yo, I got some stats. Stats. You tell it up to the man. She dipping, she drop it. I like the way she do it. In the room, got no it. In the room, got no it. She dipping, she drop it. That shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. Stats. Yo, I'm so stats. My buddy, my money big, we have something in common. If I give away in 5 minutes, both of us will be coming. Girl, what the hell you gonna do with that bitch? Girl, you know you blessed, cut that ass out when I'm coming. If I get a chance, you let me be. Guaranteed I'm coming. I'm out here bumming. Your boyfriend ain't coming. He still stay with his mom. What's up? Sometimes stop bumming. That's the sign you right there. He ain't ready for a woman. I'ma set that down. You take straight to the dungeon. She dig, you yellow, you look like a black Hawaiian. She bad than a mud. I'ma eat her just like a luncheon. And girl, show your stats. Work TV buttons. She bad up and she drop it. I like the way she do it. In the room, got no it. In the room, got no it. She dippy, she drop it. That ass shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. Go stats. Yo, I'm so stats. Yo, I'm so stats. Yo, I got some stats. Big booty stats. Act like some acrobats. Show them tats on your back. Show her pussy on the contract. She wearing eyes and contacts. Same in high school, she ran track. Every time in the stretch, when I see the heat, put in her cat. Baby tattoo fanatic. Tell them alcohol is getting trash. You know that donkey is a fatty, so I'm gonna toss someone to your back. She a fool. She got alcohol forever 21 fashion. The baby don't need gas because her ass so classy. I ain't did it, go on the snatching. The man ain't paying his taxes, and he's not in my bracket. He looking like a crack addict. And please tell me why the hell he got his name tatted. You smoke phosphorus and thing, that's a very, very bad habit. She tell it, she know it. I see her, she throw it. When she do it, I'ma start growing. When I stop, keep going. Go, stats. Yo, I got some stats. She dippy, she drop it. I like the way she do it. In the room, got no it. In the room, got no it. She dippy, she drop it. That shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. That shit so stupid. Stats. Yo, I got some stats. Yo, I got some stats.
Show me what you know. Get it, go. Let's check this out. Work to the down. Let's get it down. Hey, girl. I need you to rock. I need you to rock.
got the club rocking. Everybody rocking. Everybody rocking. Rock, rock, stop, rock, 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 don't stop. Here go. We got it. Wow, believe.
I rock so exotic. Moving around body. Girl, I'm a saucy. I ride to the beat. I ride with Lucky G. Around 2 a.m. I'll be watching the girl to sleep.
I know it. Get money.
I know you probably finna wait. You need to get on your sneak. Get out your butt cheek.
You right.
Let's go to the phone. Work it to me low. Push your ego. Body rock the floor. And if you got no sweat, you need to exit the door.
Get out.
Need you in the elbow. I wanna get down. Oh, no. Right back to slow. Your gas been on me, bro. Shit touching on my toes. I'ma make her put her elbows on her toes. Real deal on toes. Body rock. Body rock. Body rock. Till my body blow. Everybody rockin'. Everybody rockin'. Don't stop rockin'. Don't stop rockin'. We got the club rockin'. We got the club rockin'. Everybody rockin'. Everybody rockin'.
Rock, don't stop. Rock, don't stop.
Everybody rockin'. Everybody rockin'.
Get money, say.
Yeah. I'm working on my skills.
The girls still gotta rock you, even though you got on heels.
I'm not playing up for real. I'm not playing up for real. And if you give me chills, I will wipe you. Get up and show me what it is. Get up and show me what it is. And if you want then go away where you live.
Boy, get such a feel.
I know you going out kill. Wait till you can't feel. Wait till you can't feel.
One way gon' stop. One way body rock.
You never know get shot.
And all this cash that's I got.
And I pull up in the yacht.
I pull up in the yacht. Don't mean brothers or not. They want all you got. These are time up a little not. While I'm doing alright, I see the kitty that's kinda hot. Girl, keep going up, stop. Girl, keep going up, stop. And when we leave the spot, we rock off the clock. Everybody rock. Everybody rock. Don't stop. Don't stop. We got the club rock. We got the club rock. Everybody rock. Hey, Gary, what it do? We love y'all real skirt. But before we leave, our big brothers popped up out the blue. They got a national single out right now. So I need everybody to look. We got my brother Trilly and Prince Ring. Help everybody in the building, man. Come on, man.
Walk around the club.
Hey.
Bump everybody. Can't see, can't walk.
What?
Everybody.
Hey. Hey, so we in this thing. Triple D, hey. So we in this thing. Triple D, hey. So we in this thing. H-Town, hey. So we in this thing. We in this thing. So we in this thing. So we in this thing. Hey, hey. I say we in this thing. We walk around them. Hey, can't see, can't walk. We don't give a what?
Can't speak, can't talk.
What we say, I say.
I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone. He got me cool. I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone.
He got me thrown. What's the rank? Leave me alone. I don't like these. Put on my mama. I like these. In VIP. In VIP. Just like we gone. My zone. You getting slept at it. What? Weak. My peace. I stay by 30 deep. I walk around and walk around.
Can't see, can't walk.
He don't give a everybody can't
Talk.
everybody. I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone. I'm in my own zone. He got me thrown. What's up? We in our own zone. We in our own zone. We coming on this zone. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. He don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And she took me to the thing. I don't know what we did. All I remember is she tried to my kids, you and you and you. And if you ain't sipping, you don't start these things pippin'. That's just what I do. You don't make themselves feel like a little man all the way down. We don't give a yeah. Drink. We in our own zone. We in our own zone. We in our own zone. We got it. We in our own zone. We in our own zone. We in our own zone. We got me down. What's up with the PV? We here, man. Trelly, Push Rick, Young Nation. Follow us on Twitter.
I'm saying, I'm at PV right now.
Hey, y'all ain't got no more shirts.
I'm finna rock this one.
Man, they ran up, man.
Damn.
We will not be an easy target. We will never roll over and let pain We will protect our bodies and fight back by movement. We will do our morning laps, walk our dogs around the block.
Bro, it's not Joe. It's J.O. J.O. Malone Studios.